Download the MyLifter app. Tap Add Devices in the main menu. Push the pair button on each of the MyLifters. The lights will turn from blinking yellow to blinking green, and the names of the devices will change to newly paired. Let's rename your MyLifters to make it easier to operate your lifter. Return to the main menu and select one of the MyLifters you've just added. Using the up and down buttons, move the cable down and up a little to identify which MyLifter it is. Return to the main menu, tap Edit, and select Rename. Give the MyLifter a name that will help you identify it later, such as hardtop left or right. Rename the other MyLifter accordingly. Once you've renamed the MyLifters, tap Done. Go to the bottom of the main menu and tap Create Group. Select Locked Group. Give the group a name and select both lifters. Tap Create Group. This screen allows you to control the MyLifters individually. For now, tap Set Group Level.